Hi YouTube, Bobby from Buff. I'm back with a cosplay tutorial. As you may have been following along, I'm working on a Teenage Groot cosplay from Avengers Infinity War. So this is the progress I have on the helmet. It's not quite done yet, but it's pretty close. And that's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I finally saw the movie last night, and if you haven't seen it, spoiler alert, they show a close-up of the arcade game that Groot is playing. And it's the arcade Defender from the 80s. It looks like this. I've printed out a photo that I found on the internet, and I cut it out. And it's about the right size. It's about the size of a tablet. So in order to, this game does exist. You could go and buy it. I'm not going to spend a fortune on a vintage game that might not work for a cosplay where I might drop it. So it's just not happening. I'm making my own. So I printed that out. I cut out some foam, 4 layers of EVA foam, and I glued those together. I traced out this little game. This is a My Arcade 220 in one. It's like 15 bucks at like GameStop. It has a very like 80s sound and feel to it. This curly monkey one is pretty good. So it's not the same game Groot is playing in the movie, but I feel like it looks and sounds enough like an old school game that I think it will work for what I'm trying to do. Hold that up so you can kind of see the graphics on there. It's a little bit better than what Groot's got in the movie, but you know, it has. I like that sound, and so I think it's going to work for this cosplay that I'm doing. It has volume and power on the top. So anyway, so I've traced this thing onto foam that I've cut out that's the same size as the photo I found, the image I found online. I'll turn it off for now so that you can hear me. So I'm going to take the game, and I've cut 4 layers of foam, 3 out of 4. I've trimmed out a shape to accommodate the game, and the 4th layer obviously is for the back. So I'm going to just push this game right into here, and when I go to cosplay as Groot, I'm going to have a physical game that I can actually play while I'm there trying to act angsty and teenager like and ignore people who want to take photos with me at conventions. It'll be funny, I think. In my head, it's hilarious. And then I'm gonna plasti dip this, and I'm gonna add this image that I found over the top of the whole thing, and then I'll probably do something over that, some kind of plastic or something to protect the paper image. But it'll end up looking like that. I know I'm totally cheating with this one, but I feel like I want to have a game that actually plays, that I can carry around with me, and it'll make sounds, and I can press buttons and it'll make sounds on demand. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed Infinity War, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you follow along on my other builds. There's going to be a lot more Infinity War Teenage Groot tutorials coming up. I'm working on it now, finally, making some progress. So stay tuned for that. Follow me on the Replica Prop Forum. I'm Bobby from Buff on the Replica Prop Forum. And I don't know, that's it. All right, stay cool. Have a good day.